So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Neabot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. Neabot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.